Boening, who won the lag. And he's caught the bottom of the 9 and 2 finishes high.
Did he take a little bit of pace off it, Scott?
Something right. The leather tip, that's something Europeans do quite a bit, especially at the Moscone Cup this year. They use leather versus the phenolic, which the American Chua might have a look here. Oh, you could see the whole ball, so an error right.
He's at the table. This is quite tight into that side. But he's been very impressive, Scott, hasn't he? Side. Chua and Yap, for me, they're the three that stand out. Be a little bit up and down with the form. Yeah, 12 months ago, just outside the top 6. He's a point behind 6th place.
Rather play than kind of sit and wait. I know Shane's the type of guy that wants to hit more balls than less, so that can only help.
You can kind of see what they've got to do. It starts to make sense. In a couple of 9 balls.
Going to do that. Yeah, Mr. Consistent with the look on the blue 2 up to the red 3. Oh, this is too thin. Yeah, too thin because this one looked over with. Oh, it went towards the pink there. I felt like that was.
Yeah, it looked like the pink could have still potted from the left.
Does he have to draw to a gap or just punch? Okay. Yeah, that needs to run. I always felt like this could be dangerous.
It's a good thing. Yeah, there you see the cue ball again. I think he wanted it further down, Scott.
Oh, and he did attack.
That guy's a maniac.
Green 6 to the lower right.
Telling you time and time again, he just keeps cutting the balls in.
A poor positional play.
Settle down, cue ball. Okay, we got a
And
little.
he's rolling this where that might be his. Well, never mind.
Yeah, he's such a good potter.
Does the 9 have the speed? I do not think it does. And that is part caused all the problems. Oh boy. Once again, this.
Just don't know how he keeps knocking them in. Look, they're going clean though. Wonder if he's got like a little system or something.
Oh, look at this. This is going to be painful. The cue ball gets up another rotation.
I believe so. And that's why. What a shot. What? Here we go again. Freeze. It's one of his.
I'll tell you what. With the outside ball there going in.
Yeah, purple 5 does pop. If it didn't, he'd have tried to move it. Purple 5 must not go. So Scott's right. He must have been playing the one real stun shot just to bump it. Well, queuing out the box to get this one right. Yeah, see how he just nipped it? Things are going. Yeah, we've been playing.
Yet, and it seems like I say this almost every match he plays. Yesterday, do those 10 games that he did not win cost him? But he does get one
head on.
Yeah, he's just rifled him. Maybe that's the new play going forward.
Chua will have none of it. He's not going to start going down the nose, and he's got one of these little thin snippers again. Pool players, Scott, not too clever with a bridge from what I've seen over the years. There's only a few that can sort of handle.
It works for him. Twice in the lower right. Drilled.
Yes, I mean, if Chua goes on to run the rack here, it's not exactly the story of the match, is it? The fluke 3 ball. Shane's made that positional error that you talked about, Scott. A one shot here, and this rack will be over. Make sure you take care of the green 6.
You know, what's Van Boening's attitude going to be like after this going forward? It's been all Chua and Capito so far this week.
Well, that was a very 25 minutes. Chua's got the victory.